Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great drink, a drink that would help your skin get brighter, a drink that would glow up your skin, a drink that would make your skin look super duper soft like that of a baby, a drink that would help you from the inside out basically. Okay, now this is really helpful, and the ingredients are something that you can actually find. It is actually not difficult. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up and share and subscribe, and let's go. Okay guys, so for a brighter and a more radiant skin, you're gonna be needing this drink. Like, the combination of those ingredients is the bomb. This is carrot, yeah, so we're gonna be needing some carrots, and we're gonna be needing some other great ingredients that is wow, is wow on the skin. So we're going to be peeling it. Okay, so now we would be putting it into a blender, putting in water, to blend. Where's your cup? Bring it. So now I'm going to be sieving it out first of all. And here we have our carrots juice, and then we're gonna be needing some oranges. Yeah, so we're gonna be needing orange. Now orange contains a whole lot of vitamin C. This vitamin C is actually what we'll be needing so much, because it helps to polish up the skin, glow the skin, and make the skin look superb. Okay, so I'm going to be squeezing some oranges into here. Okay, so this is orange. And then we're going to be needing some pineapple. Now pineapple is a great fruit. It helps for the body, okay, and it's also help for belly fat. Can you imagine that? It would help you so much to glow your skin like very well, and it's equally help to maintain your skin from the outside. So I'm going to be peeling this all up. Okay, so after doing that, I'll cut the fruits. So after that, then I'm going to be blending the pineapple. So we're going to blend. So now I'll have to be sieving this out. Here we have the pineapple juice, which is almost the same like the orange juice. I'm equally going to be sieving that out because I don't need any chaff. So the last ingredient for this is apple. Yeah, apple is actually very well. It's very well needed in this, okay? It will help to smoothen out the skin, and it will help to flush out toxins from the body. Now I'm gonna be grating the last blending the last ingredient for this. And this is pop. Okay, so we're equally going to be sieving that out. This is the apple. Okay, so this is the apple, pineapple, orange, carrot. Okay, so if you have those four fruits, you combine them together, your skin would glow like crazy. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting them together. This is orange, this is pineapple, this is apple. Okay, here we go. So you want your skin to glow? Why not try this drink? Take it as often as you can. You can actually make a whole lot of them and store them in your fridge. Put it in your jar and store them in your fridge, and it's gonna stay there. You're gonna be drinking it every morning, and this drink is super enough to glow your skin. It's going to revive your skin and make your skin look super duper young. Now the essence of making this drink is so that when you take this one from in the inside, you can actually use the other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you to scrub out the dead skin cells. By so doing, the ingredients is going to be really working, okay? Because when your inside is beautiful, your outside is beautiful. So I'm loving this. Yeah, oh my goodness, this is really good. It tastes great, it tastes lovely, and it tastes really nice. Okay, so go try this and you're gonna be loving it. So that's it, guys. It is actually very healthy. It tastes good, it looks good, and I am loving it. It's going to help to brighten up your skin, make your skin glow, and make your skin look really beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.